3D View Station is a 2D and 3D CAD viewing tool that allows you to open multiple CAD formats from Siemens NX and CATIA V5, for example, and you can view both of those in the same window, same instance, and start to take measurements and slices and interact with the data. It doesn't require a full-blown CAD workstation to run, so it means that your sales team or marketing team can start to look at the data as well. Benefits of 3D View Station are that you don't require a high-end workstation to run it, and you don't need to be a CAD engineer to use the software. You could be a sales guy that's out quoting customers for a product, and you can use that on your tablet, your laptop, while you're out on the road. 3D View Station offers you the ability to take measurements of a part assembly, to look at the wall thickness, or to do draft analysis, or even down to doing sectioning of a part or assembly. .3D View Station is typically used by your procurement team, sales or marketing, mainly because it doesn't require a CAD workstation or license. So 3D View Station is available either as a desktop version that can run on your Windows PC, or you can get a WebViewer version that's hosted on your server, and that means that anybody can access it anywhere in the world from a tablet device, mobile phone, or through a standard browser. 3D View Station WebViewer retains all of the data on the server, so when anybody's browsing or viewing that data through their laptop, mobile device, it's done in the browser of that device, and the data is not downloaded, so it's all kept secure on the server. 3D View Station supports paperless manufacturing through its ability to allow you to view any markup such as functional tolerancing and annotation data that's been embedded within the CAD data that you're looking at. 3D View Station is really easy to get started. We've got a couple of YouTube videos available to teach you the basics, and from there you'll have no problems getting up and running and starting to interact with that data. 3D View Station will integrate with other products such as PLM platforms, allowing you to view that CAD data within the platform without opening Siemens NX, for example. You could integrate it within Siemens Teamcenter, PTC Windchill, or Dassault Systems 3D Experience platform.